You Experience is a 12-month campaign that drives data, creates experiences and builds relationships with the top 300 brand advertisers and media planners in the UK. Each quarter, their local postie and account manager from Market Reach will attend the office to collect the nominations.
First and foremost, I wouldn't be back racing without Gala tent and Gala performance together at the beginning of last year, which allowed me to come back and participate with United Autosport.
I think we wouldn't have had the success we've had if it wasn't for Gala. In Gala's case, they also help with a lot of our branding. So I think we're a race-winning team, but also a good-looking team thanks to Gala. Thumbs up for Gala performance.
Those are the first things that you see. They're branded with United.
Okay, so we're currently at Rockingham racing in the C1 24 hours.
Performance in Gala tent, it's a great opportunity for me to understand what's needed in motor racing and how Gala Performance can innovate around its customers and to really get a feel on how good our products are actually in use. As racewear, as pit flooring and these comfy settees which are really going to help the drivers and the teams to relax during that.